In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to type in ARK on a Xbox One. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In ARK, there are two main channels when you talk in chat: the tribe chat and the global chat. Whenever you press a certain combination of keys on your Xbox controller, you can either talk in the tribe chat or in the global chat. If you want to type a message for the world chat, aka the global chat, hold the left bumper, the button at the top left corner of your Xbox controller, and then press the button to the left of the Xbox button at the middle. So press the view plus left bumper. Now, if you want to talk only in the tribe chat, simply press the left bumper again and then press the menu button, aka the button on the right side of the Xbox button at the middle of your controller. After you press either combinations of keys, you will be able to talk in chat in ARK. I hope I was able to help you on how to type in ARK on your Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.